I guess here most of them get answer 216 for this problem in wrong order. Here 50 minus 2 power 3 is 8 times 5 plus 6. Here 50 minus 8 is 42 times 5 plus 6. Here 42 times 5 is 210 plus 6. Here 210 plus 6 is 216 is the wrong answer. As per this order of operation, this 216 is the wrong answer. Here we are going to introduce this PEMDAS rule from order of operation. This is a bracket higher priority. This is the exponent. M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, A stands for addition, S stands for subtraction. Here multiplication, division both are equal priority. Also this addition, subtraction both are equal priority. For this equal priority, we are going to introduce this left to right rule in the problem. Now we are going to solve this problem in correct order by using this order of operations PEMDAS. Yes, but this order of operations PEMDAS, the bracket is higher priority. We don't have the bracket in this problem. The next priority is exponent. So we have to do this exponent before this operation here. 50 minus 2 power 3 is 8 times 5 plus 6. Here the next priority is multiplication and division. Here we have multiplication. So we have to do this multiplication before this operation. So 50 minus here 8 times 5 is 40 plus 6. Here we have subtraction and addition. Here addition and subtraction both are equal priority. For this equal priority we have introduced this left to right rule. Here left to right is 50 minus 40 is 10 plus this 6. Here 10 plus 6 is 16 is the correct answer.